Alright, since you're so worried about this weight gain, we're going to wire your jaw together so you can lose as much weight as you want. Says no dentist ever. Alright, thank you for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you here. Stick around. Let's talk about wiring the jaw together so you can lose weight. The process of wiring the jaw together was designed for jaw fractures. And the reason is because you don't want there to be movement between the fractured bones. So they wire it together so that there will be immobilization and then healing can occur in that fractured region. But it has been discovered that when these people wire their jaws together and then they have to go for about 6 weeks, by the time they come back, they would have lost so much weight. And that's understandable because they would be feeding on fluid diet. Like whatever food it is, they blend it down into a smoothie and then they consume it through a straw. So that's why people have looked at that procedure and be like, okay, I think this can be used for weight loss, ignoring the original reason why the procedure was devised in the first place. So this weight loss we're talking about, is it sustainable? So seeing the drastic weight loss, people who now want to lose weight have gone to the extent of wiring their jaws together and then consume fluid diet to lose weight. So it is safe to say that it wasn't the wiring of the jaw together that made them lose weight. It was the fluid diet that actually made them lose weight. Now, let's now talk about the sustainability. Like, when you lose weight, the main importance is sustainability. Like, it cannot be overemphasized. It is one thing to lose weight. It is another thing to maintain that weight loss. And what has been discovered is whenever you wire people's jaws together and then they go on fluid diet and they lose weight, and then they come back and then you take out that fixation that was put on the teeth to like immobilize it, and then they are free to eat whatever they like. It has been noted that they end up gaining twice the weight that they had before. Like they gain more weight, even more than the previous weight they had. So now, does that make any sense? Because now the sustainability is in question. I think the main thing that should actually be looked at is lifestyle changes, not just a shortcut, which is what this wiring the jaw together is. So I don't think the best way to lose weight is to wire the jaws together, because it's not sustainable, if you ask me. And then let's now leave that sustainability. Let's now face the downside of using MMF, which is the maxillomandibular fixation. That's what it is called. That's the wiring of the jaw together. So let's now look at the downside. Because the jaw has been immobilized, there is a probability that mouth opening will be limited. By the time you free the mouth, the joint would have been stiff. So you would need to now start exercising the joint to actually open the mouth. And don't get me started on the oral hygiene, because that means the only place they will be able to brush will just be the outer part of the teeth when they have that thing on, meaning they can't brush the inner part for over 6 weeks. So bad breath, that's on one side, then the gum that's around the teeth everywhere would be dirty, meaning they will be prone to periodontal disease and gingival inflammation. So it's way more than just weight loss. And knowing fully well that there are other ways of losing weight that are quite sustainable, why not just go for that? I am not pro jaw wiring. That's not me. I'm not pro jaw wiring at all. I understand that weight loss can be quite hard, but weight loss is also mathematics with sustainability. And now, yes, if you look at the mathematics part, if you wire your jaw, the calories you'll be consuming will be lesser, so you would lose weight. Now the sustainability part, it might not be possible because you might end up gaining more than you have lost. Thank you for listening to my view about jaw wiring for weight loss. I hope you have liked this video and you have subscribed, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys. So till I see you in my next video, make sure you put a smile on somebody's face. Bye.